Before we begin the Bitcoin update, if you'd like to come trade with me, link is in bio. Come join me on BingX, where I do trade both stocks and crypto, where I am currently long on both Nvidia and Tesla. And again, over on MEXC, where I'm even finding coins that are moving in this sluggish market. Come learn to trade, where we both long and short the market at precise levels, along with our spot back positions. Stop guessing and multiply your bags. All right, let's reveal some TA here. So I did post this in group, this blue line, where I thought we'd dip down and get the check back here, and eventually it moved down into our double goldenrod zone, which is also the 618, with a test of the 4-hour 100. Switching over to the daily, you can see how that also has confluence with the 20, which will be tested at some point. Failure to hold this zone, and we just cut right through. I think we'll be testing our next zone here before a move up, which is also confluent with our daily 50. Okay, zoomed into the 1 hour, we were forming an ascending parallel channel where we're just holding these ranges, testing the top, losing the midpoint, and that's resistance. And now what we've had is a break and then a bearish backtest right here. And you could almost qualify this as forming somewhat of a head and shoulders pattern, which its measured move like so, which is also very confluent with this double goldenrod zone, and also the 618 and 66, which I like these Fibonacci levels very well, the CC. And of course I can't be too bearish yet because we are still in a bullish structure. So if we were to reclaim this range, we could see a significant move to the upside still. That would look something like this. So as far as ETH goes, after putting in this 39.57% run, which is very impressive, we are stalling out. Pullback areas for this would be in this 618 zone at roughly 2,700, and we could come back down to this 786, which is also the value area high of this trading range, coming in at approximately 2,463. There again, if we just claim this zone, I do have higher targets in mind. And just to wrap this video up, on the Dow Jones, I do have a nervous target coming in at 39,208. I'm really just waiting to see how we're going to react if and when the Dow does get here. Or do we hold it and claim it, or do we have a colossal dip from there? And just so you know what I'm on about, from this low to this high would be our full extension of the 4236. And just so you can see on the dramatic side, this is the roaring 20s a century ago, how we did reach the full 4236 only to crash, go into our Great Depression and do a full retrace. Now I'm not saying we'll do anything that dramatic, but it does call for concern as a topping structure into a significant pullback. That fractal looks very similar to me. And if it was to have a crashing structure such as that, it'd see prices not seen since 1987